What's up, YouTube? Back with another video, back with another banger, back with another reaction, man. Let's get it. We react to MGK, man. It's called What's Poppin Freestyle. He been killing it with the freestyles lately. It came 2 days ago, man. I don't know what it is, but appreciate the love, support.
For sure. Look like he on his phone on FaceTime. Finna get it popping for sure.
In this video, man. See what he got popping.
Sure.
Let's go, man.
Yo, what up, man?
Send me that instrumental real quick.
Which one?
What's poppin'?
Oh, I got you right now.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
What's poppin'? Just fuck my ex, I wrought it. 2X in the mushroom chocolate. 2X on neck, I'm frostbit. Stay dressing, no balsamic. Got commas, Conde Garçonde. Cup got ice cubes like Conte. Chef Noble cook me raw fish. Long beards, but the squad's not Amish. Just bosses, dropouts, and convicts. Wallets bigger than Chris Wallace. Dead presidents inside, it's haunted. Yellow tape where I'm from, stay cautious. Made mixtapes wearing shirts with the horses. It's been a minute since I give a fuck about a critic's opinion, but they keep on forgetting where the bars went. Old timers, damn, y'all got Alzheimer's. Can't say what your subconscious think, be honest. Y'all hate that I switch genres, fuck models, switch condoms, eat beef like McDonald's, eat rappers, Jeff Dahmer, top 5 of the young rhymers. Been sick, no virus, I'm an OG now, I do not pay homage. Look, I'm a Cleveland.
Jeez, I'm OG now, I don't pay homage. Gee.
Bro, this dude, he got bars for days, just like Eminem, just keep going crazy. I mean, over and over, man.
Genres, fuck models, switch condoms, eat beef like McDonald's, eat rappers, Jeff Dahmer, top 5 of the young rhymers. Been sick, no virus, I'm an OG now, I do not pay homage. Look, I'm a Cleveland Cavalier, driving foreign engineer. At the Fashion Week in Paris, Cinderella on my terrace, glass slipper on the stairs, ass fatter than Shakira's. I saw her live at the Super Bowl, I was in town for a movie role. Tootsie slide in the booty hole, smoking woods, eating tuna roll, playing cards like it's Yu-Gi-Oh! And I was only in the studio. I wake up, I'm moody, I roll up some fruity that have more colors than a Coogee coat. I'm not a rapper that talk about designer, but this is from Virgil and Louis though. Inside my closet's a million options, I put on all black like a funeral. I hop off the plane in pajamas, I do this shit daily, I don't even plan it. Whoa, what's poppin'? Just fuck my ex, I wrought it. 2X to the mushroom chocolate, 2X on neck, I'm frostbit. 2 eggs with cheese and sausage, I'm in bed, she fed me topless. 3 X's next to the names of the last 3 hoes on my Miss Carlos, yeah. Yeah, red eyes, I can't see clear, whoa. Whoa, my brick so white it glow. Damn, damn, she made it OnlyFans. Can't write my life in books. I'm back to my old ways. Alright, fuck it, I'm good.
Bro, he funny.
That's cool.
Yeah, that was cool. He had a lot of bars in that song, bro. Yeah, he killed that song. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Yeah, he killed that, man. With these freestyles he been doing lately, it's cold.
Yeah, and he like kind of older from the other rappers.
Yeah.
He's still like, you know, progressing.
Still doing it.
Like he ain't bad. He's still a good rapper.
MGK doing this thing, man. Appreciate MGK, man. With all these other freestyles I see you been doing, man. So we're gonna react to them all, man. But hey, appreciate y'all, man. Keep on subscribing, keep on liking, doing what y'all doing, man. You already know what it is, man. Try to hit 100K. Without further ado, peace and love.
We out.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.